Life is about balance, otherwise known as homeostasis, which I kind of think of as a yin-yang, all right? Now there's 4 domains that the body tightly regulates. We have pH, blood sugar, temperature, and then O2, CO2. All right, now our modern lifestyle has basically made us fragile. We go from an air-conditioned house to an air-conditioned car to an air-conditioned gym, right? So our temperature, we don't have to deal with much. You can, with a click of a button, get a burrito basically delivered by drone probably pretty soon to your house. So life has gotten easy, and that's made us kind of weak. And that's why when you travel, maybe you get sick because you're just used to living this tight window of temperature all the time. So what you want to aim for is to become physiologically flexible. I mean, you can tolerate some of these things. So through graded exposure training, you can push those endpoints. So say, let's take temperature. You're used to 98.6, and your core body temp can go up maybe 2 degrees in either direction. Above that, you shiver or you sweat. Beyond that, something bad happens, such as shock. So through more training, so something like ice baths and saunas, some graded exposure, you can build a bigger yin-yang, and that's physiologically flexible. Here's the cool thing. If you build up your tolerance in one of these domains, it can confer benefit in another one. So for example, with temperature again, if you were to take some ice baths and wear a continuous glucose monitor, you'll notice that your blood glucose will drop every single time. Let's take exercise. So pH. When you exercise, you need glucose, right, which your body will then break down into lactose and hydrogen ions. So it's not necessarily lactic acid, it's literally acid, hydrogen ions. That's the burn that you feel. When you breathe, oxygen comes in, you become more alkalinic. When you exhale, you blow off the CO2 and you become more acidic. If you do simple drills like walking while doing a breath hold and build up your tolerance to CO2, you can deal with that acidic environment better, which means you can work out better and longer because you are tolerating the hydrogen ion buildup in your bloodstream. So again, this is what it means to be physiologically flexible.